Welcome to my channel. My name is Karl Ozaeta. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Excel function Countif. What is Countif? Countif is an Excel function that counts the number of times an item is listed within a range when a condition is met. With that said, let's dive in. In front of us is an Excel worksheet containing a table listing desserts. We're going to use Countif to have Excel count the specific dessert we select. So how exactly do we use the function Countif? First, let's click in cell E6 under total items, as this is where we want Excel to list the total for the dessert we're going to select. Second, let's enter an equal sign, then type Countif, followed by an open parentheses. After the parentheses, we need to select the dessert range so Excel knows where the desserts are listed. So let's select cells A4 through A24. Then let's add a comma. After the comma, we need to specify which dessert we want Excel to search for in the dessert range and count. This is our condition. So let's click on cell D6, then let's add a close parentheses before pressing enter. And now we get to test it. In cell D6, let's enter caramel. Excel will return a total of 6, and that's because caramel is listed 6 times. If we change the dessert to cupcake, Excel will return 3 because cupcake is listed 3 times. And if we change the dessert to pie, Excel will return 7 as pie is listed 7 times. And that's how the function Countif works in Excel. I hope you get to use it sometime. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.